Rob is the worst name for a bank teller, even with bulletproof glass. Tiny bullets, photons, light-proof glass. I totally have X-ray vision as far as glass is concerned. Pew 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 pew, laser eyes. That's why nothing's water-flavoured except watermelon.
Oh, come on, birds!
Nappies for birds. How do you get them to wear them? Get the cool birds to wear them first. What's the coolest bird? Cassowary, spoonbill, hummingbird, extinct giant hummingbird, size of a Labrador, couldn't fly when extinct. My arms,
Song
my
stuck.
arms, my arms, my arms.
Song stuck in
My
head.
lovely lady love. Song jail, scapegoat, escape goat, ejector seat for goats. Say something clever so she falls in love with you. Just a flat white, please. No, do better. I run an awesome farm. Yeah, free range. You can't cage awesome. Thanks.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi there.
You should speak to her. Nah, just walk up and kiss her in a charming, non-rapey way. Buy flowers. Nah, do parkour. I could do parkour. Vault off the rail, flip around the pylon, stand on the seat next to her, and brace yourself for love. But actually do it. Do something.
No, really. Do it.
Actually do it. Channel
No,
the
do it.
brood. Do something. Seriously.
Actually do it.
What was that thing? Where was my thing? I could do parkour, vault off the rail, flip around the pylon, stand on the seat next to her, and brace yourself for love.